Hello, I'm Lynn. Want to get building facades? Let me show you how to draw it in Hi-LiDAR. Step 1. Slice the point cloud. You can slice the point cloud in 3 directions, or select 3 points to automatically fit a plane. The thickness can be adjusted to make the slice more complete. After adjusting the slice, click Create Section and then Export or Draw. The drawn vector can be exported as DXF or DWG format, 2D or 3D. The sliced point cloud can be exported as LAS or RCP format.